This is the award-winning Pegasus Grande GT75 Messina. Now, it's perfect for couples who want a separate bedroom with a fixed island bed, or for families of up to 4 members. It has a shipping length of just under 8 meters and it weighs MTPLM just over 1,700 kilos, which means you need a car such as Land Rover's Discovery. Now, the interior layout is split into 3 distinct sections, but we'll come to that in a minute. But let's take a step inside to see why this was once voted the Caravan of the Year. The first thing you see when you step inside is just the amount of space. This is an 8-foot wide caravan and you can really feel it, especially in the lounge. Now, this lounge has 2 modes, day mode and night mode. It's currently in day mode for seating, and in night mode, this converts into a very generous double bed. Or if you're traveling with 2 smaller children, these can be used as single beds because they are 6'2" long. Now, also in day mode, this is a great caravan for entertaining because not only do you have this pull-out table from the front chest, you also have a freestanding table here. And while I'm sat here, these cushions at the end really do allow you to sit right back into this corner, just to give that really roomy feel. Opposite the kitchen is the new media centre. Now, there's a freestanding Sonos speaker. There's also a wireless charging point for your phone. And if you haven't got wireless charging, or you'd like to charge something with USB, all you do is press the centre and up pop 2 USB points. This caravan also comes with 𝗚𝗲𝘁 tried and tested heating and hot water system, and it is pre-wired for Wi-Fi. And if you'd like to stay at a site that's off-grid, there's also a 100-watt solar panel fitted as standard. And let's not forget there's also 3-pin sockets throughout, as well as extra USBs, not just by the tech centre, but in the reading lights above me and in the bedroom. Now, there's TV points to the lounge, to the bedroom, and also if you like watching TV in the awning, there's also a TV point outside. Talking of sockets outside, there's also a barbecue point. The kitchen cupboards are finished in cashmere, and there's a warm grey marble effect to the splashback and to the worktop. Now, talking of worktop, this gives you lots of working space here with this flap down, but if you want to use the hob, you simply lift the covers and there you have 3 burner gas hob with an electric element as well. This is a dual fuel hob. There is also a separate grill and a separate oven, and above that is a microwave that doesn't need that glass plate, so you won't need to worry about where to stow it. Lots of storage space here for your pots, pans, as well as your cutlery. Now, opposite the kitchen is a 153 litre fridge freezer with a separate freezer compartment above and lots of storage for your groceries below. So moving from the kitchen to the mid-washroom, we go past this wardrobe here. Now, this is really where you can feel you have that extra length from that extra axle. Lots of storage space here, full length hanging, along with storage for shoes at the bottom. So we then move into the washroom. It has a very large separate shower, and inside this door here is the loo, and it also has the basin, which is a Belfast style sink. Lots of storage for your travel essentials in there. And if you want to get dressed in privacy, this door will also close off the rear of the caravan from the front. The bedroom is at the end of the caravan and has 2 modes, day mode and night mode. It's currently configured in day mode, which means the bed is pushed back, which gives you plenty of room at the foot of the bed to walk around. In night mode, it simply pulls out and gives you much more sleeping space. Either side of the bed are wardrobes, and not only that, we also have separate bedside units either side of the bed that also have cupboards. Talking of storage, there's more storage at the foot of the bed, and there's also a half-length mirror above one of the units. There is a 𝗚𝗃𝘃𝗹𝘃𝗲 roof light above the bed for you stargazers, and if you'd like to shut off the bedroom from the rest of the caravan, there is a wooden sliding door. Now, the storage continues here as well, because not only is there plenty of room under the bed, which you can access by lifting the bed up, there are external lockers either side which run the full length. The GT75 has a new high security door. Now, this door also has the facility to split as a stable door, but it also has the all-important additional security measures. So in conclusion, the Pegasus Grande GT75 Messina is a twin axle caravan that's 8 foot wide. The interior is split into 3 distinct sections, which makes it great for couples or families. And let's not forget, it gives that really luxurious feel and gives you privacy if you are travelling with additional guests.